Hello everyone, this is Vistra with the Paper Seasoning, and I'm here to share with you this junk journal that I've just made. It is available in my Etsy shop. It contains 4 signatures, a beautiful back cover. Now let's get into this journal. On the front section we have a folder. It has plenty of items that you can use to decorate your journal. Stickers that match the journal throughout. It has 2 calendar cards that you can use if you want to turn it into like a bullet journal or a planner journal. You can also do that, or just use them just to keep notes. It's great for decorations as well. A little note card that you can use, and little words that's available to use throughout your journal which match. Okay, let's get into this journal now. It has sturdy paper and regular paper. Very nicely decorated. This is a folder pocket. These pages are great for journaling. This is a complete page pocket. A complete page pocket here. Full page. And it matches over here. I intentionally made that so that the pages actually go together. And then we have this page. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This page also. And if you enjoy the color blue, it's a lot of cute blues. You know, it's a particular blue that I like, and it's kind of like that color blue. It's kind of like a turquoise blue. I think it's kind of gorgeous. Look at that page. How easy is it for you to decorate that page? This is a half page here. You can add tabs to these pages, your pictures. Here's another section that has a folder. It has journal cards, another set of stickers. This is a note card. It's blank and it goes with this envelope. And then it has another journal card. But you can decorate this note card to fit in anywhere, or you can actually make it out to give to someone. There's another. That blue. It's that blue. That blue gets me every time. I love it. Love that color. Oh, this is a list page, so you can write out your list here, and you can put some pictures, some memorabilia that you have over here on this side. And here's where you already have a calendar page that you can use. It has space at the bottom for you to take notes and things. Cute. And like I say, this is a pretty good paper here. And this would be like a regular paper. And oh my goodness, this is one of my favorite pages. You see it has the cute little dog flying a kite, and it's a postcard, and it has the envelopes on the side with the stamps in the background. Isn't that page just gorgeous? And then we have another calendar page that you can use with the notes on the bottom. This is another list page. Oh, aren't those bird pages just cute? If you're a fan of Lisa Glanz, she has these designs here. They look absolutely gorgeous. And here's a square design that you can put notes in, or you can put pictures. And there's a spot for you to design. You can write in your journal right there. Oh, I would just absolutely love to see how someone would decorate this journal. And I love how this is cut off here. It really makes the page. Well, I hope you enjoyed this journal flip through. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, the link to my Etsy shop is in the description below. Till next time, bye-bye.